We have many couples who come and see us because one of the partners, typically the man, has sleep apnea and the wife can't sleep and she can't take it anymore. And the first thing we do is we punch them, we kick them, and then we kick them out of the room. So I may have a little personal experience in that department. We like to say that using a CPAP is a marriage saver because there is nothing sexier than a well-rested wife.